Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to be doing is finally addressing that flappy fat lip there that we got. I'm going to go ahead and unscrew it, take this little Phillips, and I'm just going to take out all the screws, make the whole little front lip just drop, or I mean the front splitter just like kind of drop, assess the damage, and like I say, more than likely I think we're just going to remove the whole front end. I don't know that I'm going to be able to go in through underneath there and get it the way I want it. But for now, let's go ahead and take that first step and let's see what troubles come ahead. All right, everybody, so I wanted to show you something really quick. Last time I was out shopping, I came down a steep driveway and I could feel this, that it hit. And look at what it did. It actually scraped it all up. Look at it, I like made a big old indentation right here. You could see where it scraped all this. Look at the thickness. Look at how small it got. So I just scraped the hell out of the bottom of this. They sell some slip glow, I think it is, on Amazon, so definitely gonna have to get some of that stuff. Okay, what's going on, everybody? So today's the day. We're gonna go ahead and reattach that front splitter on there. I went ahead and already got all the screws, rivets out, everything like that. Did it on both sides. I'm about ready just to go ahead and start taking off the front end. Super easy. I'm not going to show you all how to do it. I've done it in a past video. I'm going to go ahead and drop it though and show you really quick how we're going to attach the splitter back on here. All right, y'all, so we got the front end off. Right before I decide to reattach this bottom lip to it, I'm going to add some slip glow. I should have done this from the get. Look at this nasty little gash that I got on there, see? Well, and I'm really not gonna be able to cover it, see, because it's already gashed. So I don't know, it's elevated a tad bit. It's not flush, as flush as I would like. See, it could still go down a little bit, but I guess it is what it is. Did want to show you this. I don't know if any of y'all have ever used this, but it's real flexible. You could bend it, you know, applicate it however it is that you need it. So I'm going to cut some pieces and get it to adjust here just right, so get that curvature right there. Get this side as well. But yeah, it went on super easy. I got this off of Amazon. These are all the pieces I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. I think it was like for like 50-60 bucks or something. Hopefully it does, you know, what it's supposed to do, because I would rather this little plastic right here get messed up than, you know, this expensive splitter that I got. So yeah, let me go ahead and apply this and let me show you really briefly how I'm gonna reattach the splitter on there, and we'll get it back onto the car. Be back in a minute. Hey everybody, all right, so we're reattaching the slip right here. These right here that have the holes are the ones that I'm using this other screw. Okay, the original screws look like this. So I'm using these on the ones that held the little metal piece on the front of the lip. So it still has a thread in there where I'm able to put these through. These unfortunately fell out. So what I did is I just put the nut with the screw, similar to this right here. And this is what's locking it together. You know, one of these in the front, the screw on the back. I'm putting actually another washer behind it, little thread locker, and it's coming out pretty good. Let me tell you though that these front middle 3 right here, 1, 2, and 3, those are going to be the ones right in the middle. You can't get them from the back. All these other ones, you are able like to stick your hand through back here, and I'll show you from the other side right now once I flip it. But these 3 middle ones, you're not going to be able to do it. So what you're going to have to do is pull back out your rivet gun, the threading rivet gun, and try to put some more rivets in it is what I did. Luckily I had 3. I don't know how, and I needed 3. I had 3. I don't know. But yeah, it worked out great. So now I'm just reattaching everything. All right, y'all. So after inserting those 3 rivets, not much happened. They're loose. They don't tighten up right. So they're starting to pop out. I pulled one out And see, and that was the issue that I was having. I mean, it seems like it crimps down. You see it's got that little sandwich right there, but I don't know. It's not tight enough. So I'm going to have to resort to the other method. Get my little screws, you know, with the nuts and whatnot. And I don't know, it's going to be really tough. I actually broke a little piece. Let me see if I can show you. But you can stick your hand or wedge your hand right up through here. It's a pain in the butt, but you can do it. Because I was thinking, well, what else am I going to do? I'm going to have to do something to keep the middle, you know, nice and tight. You don't want the middle of the lip flopping around. So let me go ahead and get back in there. Let me get those done. I'll be back. All right, everybody, and just like that, we're back in business. It's back installed. Looking super clean, mean on the scene. Yeah, looking good. Hey, you know what? I have a question for you guys. I don't know if you all have that L wire in your car or not. Let me show you what. This is about the third one of these that I've purchased. Let me show you really quick. And you know that it just, see, it gets really dim. And there's spots that are like missing. You know, it just, I'm starting to notice that, look, see, it's got those little empty spots. And this is something that's happened, I tell you, this is like about the second or third time that I redo this wire, and you can see it. You see it just got little inconsistencies. So I don't know what to do. I mean, I'm gonna have to get another one. I like the way it looks. I don't know, I guess I'm gonna have to search for a better brand. Y'all comment below, let me know which ones you all have used. Maybe I could find something better quality. Doesn't do that. You know, it's pretty annoying having to replace this. Well, hey, thank you very much for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. Catch you all on the next one.